What's up guys, welcome to another episode of and today we are here in Subang and we are right in front of Sri KDU International School. We have a library right behind us that we're going to be installing our window film. Let's go find out. Alright, so we are now entering the library area. So I'm going to take you guys towards the glass facade that is going to be installing our film today. So the main complaint of the school is that it's getting too much heat, too much glare, and also the ultraviolet is actually damaging the things inside the library. So as you can see, this is the entire glass facade. It is facing directly west, so the sun exposure here is on the extreme side. And the film we're going to be installing today is our signature Silver Black series. So our silver reflective film have the highest heat rejection at 95% infrared, and of course our signature 100% ultraviolet protection. Besides, it will also block off 99% of HEV blue light. This is to ensure every student that is entering the library area is always comfortable and fully protected from the sun. A good window film is actually not an expense, but a very good long-term investment. By having a window film that performs well and have a very good durability, you guys will now get to reduce the use of air conditioning, reduce the electric bill, and also do nature a favor by reducing carbon emissions. So this is the work in progress, and this is the after. After the installation, we're going to be running a before and after test. So right here I have a spectrometer and we're going to be testing on a door panel that has not been installed with the film yet. And you guys will get to see the performance. Visible light transmission at 86, infrared rejection only at 36, and UVR is only at 92. Now we're moving over to the glass panels that we have already installed with our Silver Black series, and this is the result. Visible light transmission at 8%, infrared rejection at 96%, and ultraviolet is going to be completely 100%. Now, we are also going to be testing the ultraviolet by using a UV tester. So I'll be placing one finger on the lady's face and placing it under direct sun. So after a couple of seconds, you'll see that the face is starting to turn purple and showcasing ultraviolet lighting. It looks like that. But now if I were to place it behind our IrisPro window film, you'll see that the entire face will start to recover and no ultraviolet will be passing through. So if you guys are ever looking for high performance window film that rejects 100% of ultraviolet and of course very high heat rejection, feel free to check us out here at IrisPro. And I'll see you guys in the next one.